Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Indices Watch. In today's video, as always, we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 price chart. Yesterday was a very bullish day for both indices. We have the S&P 500 currently trading up at all-time highs at 4,720, and the and the Nasdaq 100 also achieved a brand new all-time high up at 16,600, and we have fallen ever so slightly off those high levels. But, we've continued to march higher. And this is something I did say in our last video. I said that I was not going to be buying the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100 because I thought that they were overbought. But does this mean that they can't go higher? Absolutely not. I said that there was a very high possibility that they could continue to march higher. And that's exactly what has happened. And I think yesterday we was up around 1% on both markets. Now, the reason I chose not to buy during this little dip here that occurred late last week was because I am pointing out the fact that we didn't really have that much upside left. From a risk perspective, we could have potentially have gained 3% to risk 3%. So we had a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and that just simply is not good enough for me. So I am more than happy to see the Nasdaq 100 trade this high, and as well as the S&P 500 create those brand new all-time highs. It gives us a target for later on once we do pull back. I have explained my strategy over on the streaming service. If you go down to here to Indices Watch, I have a more longer in-depth video of 11 minutes where I explain my entry plan as well as my exit plan for the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. So if you would like to go and check that out, then go and visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've left it in the description of this video. But that's it really for the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100. I currently have no positions open. The market continues to be overbought. If you look at the RSI now, on the S&P 500, we're up at 71. And on the Nasdaq 100, we're even more overbought, all the way up at 74. So personally, I think there's only a matter of time until we pull back down towards this 50-day EMA. If you currently have any positions open, I would look to take profits, especially up at these all-time highs. But we are entering into a very bullish time of the year for the stock market, so it'll be very interesting to see how this plans out. But there's going to be a lot of fundamental hurdles with regards to the Fed deciding to commence the tapering process starting next month. So lots of volatility is on its way for both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100. I thought I'll just come on and give you a really quick, brief video, a little update as to what my opinion is on this market, and give you my streaming service if you do wish to follow my trading strategy. But thank you very much for watching today's video. Please give this channel a subscribe and this video a likes up.